friends, Adjo here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Canva designs using the Canva app. Now I'm on my phone here guys, and I can easily add this. So once you're inside your design, you want to look towards the bottom and you want to find audio. So once you find audio guys, you can simply tap on that and you should be able to either search for music or use for whatever music you can find. So let's say I want to type something with sunny, right? I can type the word sunny or happy day sunny and I will search. All I have to do is just basically select a music. So let's say I want to use sunny day as an example. I can tap on that and you can see that it is now added onto this specific video clip. And all I would have to do really guys is just either stretch this out to make it longer or whatever, but I can go ahead and I can play it. and and that's it. So here you can see that I have it all with the music there, and once you're done you can easily go ahead and save this or download this and you will have your music on your image. And how do you do that? On the upper right hand side you have this arrow going up, you can tap on that and you have the option to download. So you can download this as a mp4 or whatever it is, you can download it with the music in the background, and that's it.